Welcome to Web Crawler Spider. This is a set of powerful multi-scraping tools. Let us see how to use ImageData Scraper. Open ImageData Scraper, then upload the images and extract the text content from it. You can also upload single or multiple images. After processing images, you will see your extracted content in below. You can easily copy and download that extracted content. You can also extract emails from that text content by click on extract email. You will get your emails and you can also extract phone numbers. To extract phone numbers, first you need select the country and click on extract phone numbers. You will get the phone numbers. You can also download all the data in a CSV file.